practice the Alibaba Cloud practice questions. Okay. Okay. Let me log in first. Okay, now let me check my learnings. ACA, yes. Now let's continue. Retake test. Let's start. Begin test. Okay, so I need your attention in order to solve this question answers. Okay. SARS RDS. Let me make a full screen for you. RDS is a PaaS. What is the full terms of PaaS in cloud computing? Platform as a service, प्लेटफॉर्म एज सर्विस, प्राइवेट एज अ सर्विस, प्रीमियम एज अ सर्विस. देखें आप लोग अगर अवेलेबल हैं तो क्वेश्चन आंसर में मेरे साथ पार्टिसिपेट कीजिएगा सो दैट यू कुड पास द एग्जाम इन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट. ठीक है. ए फर्स्ट गुड हो गया. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज you built an online shop using Alibaba Cloud Services, ECS and RDS, and very soon you will have to campaign that every customer that invites 3 friends will get 50% off coupon. To avoid HTTP flood attacks and ensure only genuine customer not bots joining the event, which security products should you choose? WAF, DDoS, server card. So the answer is WAF. RDS provide whitelist access policies. You can get permitted IP address and IP to effectively prevent hacker from attacking port scanning. True. खुद से बताते रहिएगा. Anti-DDoS is one of the major feature in Alibaba Cloud Security Service. One-on-one, many websites have experienced different type of DDoS attacks. An accurate understanding of DDoS is crucial to protecting website. Which of the following description about DDoS attacks is the most accurate one? The main target of the DDoS attack is the database. DDoS attack will try to crack the password through large number of attempts. कौन सा है भाई इसमें से? The main purpose is to make the target server unavailable to provide service normally, which is one of the network attacks that are most difficult to defend. The purpose of DDoS is to steal confidential information. जी भैया. C. Good. DDoS पे जो अटैक होता है ना उसको SQL इंजेक्शन कहते हैं. DDoS attack will try to crack the passwords. ये जो था ब्रूट फोर्स अटैक कहलाता है. ठीक है. कॉन्फिडेंशियल इन्फॉर्मेशन जो लेते हैं वो आपका नॉर्मली ब्रूट फोर्स अटैक से ही होता है. तो ये वाला है आप. Which when using Alibaba Cloud OSS you can set access control in 3 different levels, which are RAM, object and bucket. There is no directory level option available. Next question. Which OS2 OSS object type can be configured as parameter for the life cycle management? Tell me. जल्दी जल्दी, स्पीड टाइम का मुकाबला सख्त, जल्दी. we we have a lot of questions here. Okay, seems like no one is interested to continue, so let's me stop this. This one and this one, there is no chunk and snapshot option. Please speed up. We have only max 10 seconds for each question. Which of the following statement is wrong when comparing RDS with a self-built database? Number 1, RDS feature is high available while self database required you to implement a data protection, primary standby and RAID. Number 2, RDS provide automatic backup while self required you to prepare storage prepare. Self-built database support quickly deployment and elastic scaling. Which statement is wrong when comparing RDS with self? RDS required no operational management while self database required a dedicated data DBA for maintenance, which result in high HR cost. Self, yes, this one. We will stop till 20 questions. So auto scaling is a management service that automatically adjusts elastic compute service based on your business need policies. It supports adding existing ECS instance into the scaling group, whose status must be running, stopped, preparing. Auto scaling is a management service that auto scaling adjusts elastic computing resources based on your business need. It support adding existing ECS instance into a scaling group, whose state must be दोबारा पढ़ते हैं इसको. Auto scaling is a management service that can automatically adjust elastic computing resources based on your business need and policies. It support adding existing ECS instance into a scaling group, whose states must be running, not preparing, not creating. Once running, it will be adding. An object is a basic unit of data stored in the OSS. Which of the following file operations are supported by OSS? An object is a basic unit of data stored in the OSS. Which of the following file operations are supported by OSS? File uploading, file deletion, file reading. There is no file modification option available. A company use Alibaba Cloud, SLB and auto scaling at the same time, hoping this combination can have safe O&M cost and provide a stable and reliable system. However, because they don't have relevant experience, the company engineer listed some precautions based on their understanding and turned the list of your advice. And as an expert of Alibaba Cloud, you will tell them this: ECS instance under the same SLB instance must be running in the same VPC. ECS instance under the same SLB must be running in the same VPC. Number 1. ECS instance under the same SLB instance must be running on the same operating systems. Backend servers under the same SLB instance must be in the same scaling group. इसको आप जरा समझ लें. ECS instance under the same SLB instance must be running on the same VPC. ECS instance under the same SLB instance must be running on the same operating system. नहीं. Backend servers under the same SLB must be on the same scaling group. No. Backend server under the same SLB instance must have the same configuration. First one. Guys, just give me 1 minute. Assalamualaikum. Okay. So the another question is, an enterprise hosts their server including both Linux and Windows servers in the traditional IDC, independent data centers. Every night hacker with IP address from many countries. अच्छा, ये questions, please read the questions carefully if you are really interested to crack the ACE exam. Those who are here just for time pass, I would suggest to leave, because you will not pass the exam in very first attempt, right? So आप अपना भी टाइम ज़ाया करोगे और अली बाबा का भी टाइम ज़ाया करोगे. सो आप में से जो लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं वाकई एग्ज़ाम क्रैक करने के लिए, वो तो रुकें अभी सेशन में, बाकी लोग लेफ्ट कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू एवरीवन. ठीक है, क्योंकि मुझे 3-4 लोगों से ज़्यादा कोई इंटरेस्टेड नज़र आ नहीं रहा यहाँ पे, बिकॉज दिस क्वेश्चन आंसर इज़ नॉट अ थ्योरेटिकल बेस. आई नीड फ्रॉम यू गाइज to connect with me on the QA session, on the message section, and share your thoughts about the specific question, what will be the right answer and what will be the wrong answer. So if you don't reply, seems that you are not interested to continue this session. Okay, okay, मैं यहाँ खोल देता हूँ. ठीक है, now let's start. So as an Alibaba cloud hosted a server including in the traditional IDC for independent data centers. Every night, hacker with IP address for many countries try to crack their passwords on their servers, making their administrator terrible worried about this. However, because of the work requirement, the remote management port of this server must be open on the public network. The administrator heard that the Alibaba cloud has a solution that can help customers improve the security of the system. Therefore, he want to migrate the system to Alibaba. Which of the following functions should administrator activate the Alibaba cloud to reduce the possibility of brute force attack? Security center. You deploy an application on Alibaba Cloud ECS and want to acquire basic security protection as lowest cost. Which of the following security services can be activated from free? Cloud monitors, anti-DDoS basic. There are different data centers, independent power supply and net. The data centers are also called zone. Alibaba auto scaling can automatically remove unhealthy ECS instance from the scaling group. This feature is called elastic selfie. After removal, the user has to manually add equivalent amount of ECS instance back to the scaling group. Okay, दोबारा इसको पढ़ते हैं. Auto scaling can automatically remove unhealthy ECS instance from the scaling group. This feature is called selfing. Yes, after removal, the user has to manually add equivalent amount of new ECS back to the scaling group. False, because it will automatically add. Dash is ready to use service that seamlessly integrate with Elastic Compute Service to manage varying traffic level without manual intervention. Elastic Compute Service. Yes, good. Now let's stop this. This is the last question, and then we will stop this session by today. Okay. www.com is a newly launched portal for changing information. The portal is based on the PHP, including 10 GB of images, JavaScript. Currently, one single ECS instance is used all the application content as well for MySQL database. With the growing number of users, the portal is getting slower to load image or respond to user request. Moreover, additionally 50 GB image content uploaded to portal every week. Which combination of Alibaba Cloud below can resolve the storage performance issues at the same time? This one. Why? Because slower to load images respond to user request will help CDN combination, while is based on the images or JavaScript files. So these files are neither be stored on the RDS nor be stored in the server. It will be stored in the OSS. So the right answer is OSS plus CDN combination. So you can retrieve data directly from the ECS image and use it right away. No, false. Okay, I hope you enjoy the session, and I need one more thing. You have already submitted the survey. Can you please submit the feedback on this link as well? That was the survey, that is the feedback. There is two different things. Have you got the feedback link on the chat? Can you please submit the feedback? And please don't forget to join my 30th April DevOps on Alibaba Cloud. This is very interesting because it's completely DevOps side. Terraform, Jenkins, Kubernetes, Dockers, Ansible, all the things. ये 30 तारीख को हो रहा है सुबह 7 बजे से दोपहर 3 बजे तक. Okay, so don't forget to join my DevOps session on Alibaba Cloud. Anything else you want to ask? Okay, let me give you the DevOps link. Just 1 minute.